morning. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. Are we ready for another day of learning? All right, let's start with our letter of the day today, okay? I'm going to give you a couple words, and I want to see if you can tell me what you think our letter of the day is going to be today. I have an ocean. I have an ocean. I have an office. Office. And I have an olive. An olive or olives. Based on those three clues, ocean, office, olives. What do you think our letter of the day is today? If you said O, you are correct. Today's letter of the day is O. This is an uppercase O. This is a lowercase o. Notice that the uppercase O and the lowercase o look the same. The uppercase O is a big circle, and the lowercase o is a small circle. O is a letter, which means it helps us learn to read and write. An O is something you find in words, like ocean, office, and olives. Olives are Miss Lynn's favorite. Let's talk about the sound that the O represents. Sometimes the O says, oh, you're right, because O is a vowel, and we know sometimes our vowels say their name. But sometimes in words, it says ah. And your mouth kind of makes an O when you say it. Ah. Like olives, office, octopus. All right, let's practice writing some of these O's today. All right. An uppercase O is one circle. Kind of like the Q. Yesterday we talked about the Q. What's the difference? You're right, the Q has a line, and the O does not. The O is just a circle. Let's try making another one. Ready? Now what about a lowercase o? Let's see. Is that a lowercase o? No. Is this a lowercase o? No. A lowercase o is just a small circle. Just a small circle. All right, now let's do some talking about other words. Miss R grabbed a book today, and it is Pigeon Has Feelings Too. That's the title of this book. Pigeon Has Feelings Too. And what I want to practice is counting how many O's do you see in just the title. Pigeon, the pigeon has feelings too. Let's look. Is there an O in the word the? No. Is there an O in pigeon? Yes, there is one lowercase o. And I'm going to use the tally mark today. Is there an O in the word has? No. Is there an O in the word feelings? No. Is there an O in the word two? Hey, you're right. There's two. So look, Mrs. R is going to make two tally marks. What's another way we can write? How many are there? 1, 2, 3. way we can show 3. We could make a 10 frame and put 3 squares. What's a math problem you could write to show 3? 2 plus 1 equals 3. Those are all different ways that you can show the number 3 because we found 3 O's in the title of this book. At home today, pick your favorite book. If there's no O's on the cover of your book, open up to your favorite page in the book and count how many O's are on that page. Maybe you can count the whole book and see how many O's are in the whole book. That would probably be lots of tally marks, but you can do it. All right, are you ready for some more learning today? For today's little project, you're going to need a marker, a piece of paper, and stickers, or it doesn't necessarily have to be stickers. It could be pom-poms, it could be beads, whatever you want to use. But we're going to do something today called tally art. And what Mrs. R has done is she has broken this piece of construction paper into, how many squares are there? Okay, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 squares right here. And Mrs. R has put some numbers in each squares. Let's see if you can tell me the number. This is the number 6. You're right. A circle and a line up. This is the number 10. A 1 and a 0 is the number 10. This is the number 7. A line over and a line down on a diagonal is a 7. This number over here is the number 8. Circle on the top, circle on the bottom. You're right. Then we have a circle and a line down. That is the number 9. Very good. And then we have a 1 and a 1. That makes a 11. All right, so Mrs. R is going to start right here with 6, the number 6. And we're going to practice making sets. Now, what is a set? A set is different ways to make 6. So I'm going to start by putting 6 stickers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made a set of 6 stickers. Now, I can do this 2 ways. I can write, I have 3 plus 3 equals 6 if you're working on some addition at home. But we also can make some tally marks, okay? So let's count the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens when you get to 4? That's right, we have to cross it. 5, 6. I have the number 6. I can show 6 stickers. And I can show tally marks for the number 6. Let's pick another one. Let's try, let's try the number 9. You want to try 9? Let's try 9. All right, count the stickers with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I done? How many more do I need? 1, 8, and 9. I have 9 stickers under the number 9. All right, let's make those tally marks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I do? That's right, we cross it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 tally marks. All right, let's pick one more. Let's try the number 11. This could be tricky. Let's try it. I think we can do it. Now, if you don't have stickers at home, you could take another crayon and make circles or stars. If you have beads, you could let them glue on some beads, or pom-poms or noodles you can put on these. Anything you want. Mrs. Zara is going to make stars. I'm going to have to turn it. Can you count 11 stars with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 stars. How are we going to show 11 tally marks? That's a big number. How are we going to show 11 tally marks? Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What am I going to do? You're right. I have to make another one. 10. Oh, but we're not to 11 yet, so I need one more. And 11. Look. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. Now at home, you can do it with these numbers. At home, you can do them with smaller numbers. Maybe you want to use the numbers 4 through 9. Maybe you want to try bigger numbers. Maybe you want to try the numbers 11 through 15 or 16. We're going to call this our tally art math. If you do this at home, make sure you send Mrs. R a picture. I would love to see it. Have a good Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow.